In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up voicemail in Microsoft Teams. This process ensures your callers always hear a professional and clear message, even when you're unavailable. We'll walk through each step carefully, so you can customize your voicemail greeting to perfectly suit your needs. Having a personalized greeting is key to maintaining clear communication and setting expectations for anyone trying to reach you, giving them confidence that their message will be received. First, you'll want to navigate to the main settings or options menu within Microsoft Teams. To do this, look for the three horizontal dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, located in the top right corner of your Teams application window. These dots usually signify a More Options or Settings menu, where you can access various configurations for your Teams experience. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. This is your gateway to customizing many aspects of Teams, including your call settings, which is where we'll find the voicemail options. Make sure you're logged into your Teams account before starting, as this ensures you have full access to all your personal settings. Once you've clicked on the three dots, a menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select the Calls option. This section is specifically designed to manage all your calling-related preferences and history within Teams. It acts as a central hub for everything from call forwarding to managing your voicemail. The Calls section is where you'll find settings that dictate how incoming calls are handled, how your call history is organized, and how your voicemail service operates. Selecting this option will open up a dedicated pane or window, presenting you with a range of call management features. It's important to select calls accurately to proceed to the next stage of setting up your voicemail. After clicking Calls, you'll be presented with a range of call-related settings. You'll need to scroll down through these options until you locate the Manage Voicemail section. This particular section is dedicated solely to your voicemail configurations. It might be clearly labeled as Voicemail or Manage Voicemail, making it easy to spot among the other call settings like call forwarding or ringtones. As you scroll, keep an eye out for this specific heading. This is where all your voicemail settings, including greeting options and transcription preferences, are housed. Finding this section is crucial, as it leads directly to the feature we need to customize for your personal or professional voicemail greeting. Finally, within the Manage Voicemail section, you'll see an option to record a greeting. Click on this. This action will typically open a new interface or pop-up window, allowing you to use your computer's microphone to record your personalized voicemail message. Before you start recording, take a moment to plan what you want to say. Speak clearly and professionally, ensuring your message provides necessary information, such as your name and a brief indication of your availability, or when callers can expect a return call. Once you're ready, click the Record button, speak your message, and then stop the recording. You'll usually have the option to play back your greeting to ensure it sounds good before saving it. A clear, custom greeting makes a significant positive impression on callers,